With each role, you can determine what databases the members of this role, for example, should have access to. Simply go to the Databases tab here, and here you'll see your connection with all the individual cubes. And as you can see here, you can then change the permissions for the members of this role, whether or not they should have access to, for example, the production cube. If you select this option, none in this role, it means that this role does not give them access. But if a member of this role is also part of a different role, and that different role actually does give them access to the production cube, then effectively they will have access to the production cube. It's only if you use this option, denying all roles, that right now all the members of this role will never have access to the production cube. The inherit option here simply means that, for example, if I click here now, it will inherit the option from the parent, from the demo data connection here, which was allowed in this role, and that's why we also get allowed in this role here. Now this option over here is actually a little bit more interesting, default child permission. And what you should think about or consider is that, for example, on this demo data connection here, maybe you would like to change that into none. It means that if at some point you add a new cube to this demo data connection here, its default child permission will be set to none. So, for example, let's just assume that finance has just been added to this role, or actually to the demo data connection. Now, if we do nothing else, it will by default turn up like this, none in this role, because the default child permission on the parent level was set to none.